Sanbonani, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So phezulu yekena indaba kaMacele noMakhwela, nkosi yami, siyababona nje lana ukubana hayi, they have built their relationship into such a nice bond, nkosi yami. We oftenly see uMacele posting asiyedlala ke nontombazanana omncinci, umntana kaMakhwela. We can see even naye uMakhwela posting and thanking uMacele, being grateful for uMacele for being there for her, ngoba unokuhamba pha ayi-babysitter so that she can go at least akaphumule. Oh nkosi yami, motherhood can be so exhausting, guys. Motherhood can be exhausting. So nje, if you are a mom, if you get a help, accept all the help that you can. So abantu uke waya pha ku-live, abantu balokhu bambuza ukuthi why are you so quiet, why singakuboni nani watsho ke ukubana yo guys, I've always been so quiet. Even people that knows me before all this fame that you guys are saying before marrying uMseleko, uyasho ukubana, so omunye uyambuza ukubana how has motherhood being, and then she replied ke esitsho ukubana hayi, it's a roller coaster nje. Sometimes you are perfect at this nini nje, ive sikuqumbe phansi i-motherhood. Hey guys, kuningi uyatsho nje ke bese kuba nathi abo-watching spirit kena, abantu sebefuna nokwazi ukubana igama likantombazana omncinci umbani. Uyatsho ukubana yo guys, I wish I could tell you, but as of yet I can't reveal igama lomntwana, as we are waiting for ubabake to do that, which makes sense. And yeah, it does make sense also. You don't want to be spreading out your child's name out there. Nakhona usasemncinci lo mntwana mani, usaselusana. She's not even a year old yet. But hayi, uyatsho ke ukubana uMakhwela hayi yena nje i-motherhood hayi, she can't say that she's enjoying it okanye she's not enjoying it. Nje uyatsho nje ukubana ku-everything kuyisi-pick and pay, kuyisi-short left, kuyisi-short right, kuyisi-kick and bhoboza. Like at the end of the day nje uyatsho naye ukubana hayi, at the end of the day, the love that I have for this little Nohonon, it's beyond what words can. Uyatsho nje ukubana hayi, she's enjoying every moment of it, she's loving it.